Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video let's learn about how to go to Google Drive in Android. So let's get started. First thing we can do is download the app, that is Google Drive, from Play Store. Simply go to Play Store app, search for Google Drive on the top and simply click on install button. You'll be able to see on the right over here. Since I have already installed, simply tap on open and we'll go into Google Drive. If not, we can also get into any browser and search for Google Drive or drive.google.com. So here it is. Choose any account you want to get into. Simply click on OK. So now we are in our Google Drive interface. If you have not signed in, you can simply get into this top right corner interface, in which will open the profile and you can set up or sign in Google Drive. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.